Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn what gamma is. Okay? Now, we have learnt about the factors affecting the option price, correct? And to understand how and how much these factors affect the option price, we are learning about option Greeks. Okay, option Greeks. In the previous video, we learned how delta affects the option price, correct, along with an example. In this video we will learn about the second option Greek, which is gamma. Okay, gamma. Now about gamma is a complicated value. All right. Now gamma is calculated using softwares, and there is a complex formula to calculate it. We, the retail traders, do not use gamma much while trading. Okay? But this gamma is used by portfolio managers or hedgers in their calculation. Alright? So, this gamma is of less use to us. But then, as we are learning the theory part of options, it is good to know about gamma and what it represents. Okay? So, I will give you the definition of gamma and then take an example and explain you how gamma works. Okay? I will take a simple example, but that simple example is not 100% correct, but it almost gives you an idea what gamma is. Okay, so let us proceed. Now, what is delta? Delta tells us how much the premium will change if the spot price changes by 1 unit. Okay, that is what we have learned, correct? Delta value tells us how much the premium will change if the spot price changes by 1 unit. That's all. Now, what is gamma then? Gamma value tells us how much the delta value will change when the spot price changes by 1 unit. Okay? When the spot price of stock or index changes by 1 unit, how much does the delta change? That is what the gamma tells us. Alright? So let me take an example. I will take the example of Canara Bank itself, the same example that I had taken to explain delta. I have strike price here, 310 is at the money. So if you see here, I have delta for call, I have delta for put, and the last column is for gamma. Last is for gamma. Okay. I will take the example of only this strike price, 310. If you see 310, delta is 50.85 and gamma is 1.68. Okay, for 310 strike price, delta 50.85, gamma is 1.68. Okay, now let us say that I buy one lot of Canara Bank option. Okay, one lot of 310 strike price, and the option is call option. Now, when I buy, or at the time of buying the option, the spot price is this much. Okay, when the spot price of Canara Bank is this much, 307.9, I buy the option of 310 strike price. Now it has a delta of 50.85 and gamma of 1.68. Okay, gamma of 1.68. Now this is today. Let us say tomorrow the price increases to 308.9. Okay, 308.9. So there is an increase of 1 rupees. There is an increase of 1 rupees. So when there is an increase of 1 rupee, how much does the delta change, or what is the new value of delta? That is what we are trying to find out using gamma. This value plus this value will be the new value of delta, and that is the simple explanation of what gamma is. Okay, now 50.85 was the delta value of this strike price yesterday when I bought the option. Now today the price of the stock has increased to 308.9. There is an increase of 1 rupee. When there is an increase of 1 rupee, everything related to the option changes. I told you that all the details change when the underlying assets price moves up and down. Correct? So the value of delta should also change. How much does it change? That is defined by gamma. So gamma value is 1.58. So 50.85 plus 1.68 is 52.53, and this will be the new delta value tomorrow. Okay. So basically gamma value tells us how much does delta value change by when the stock price changes by 1 rupee or 1 unit. Okay. Now let me proceed further. If at all this changed in negative way, okay, instead of going 307 to instead of going from 307 to 308, what if it goes to 306? Okay, I had bought call option, but then the price did not move according to my calculation. The next day, tomorrow, it went to 306.9. So how much will be delta? What will be the new delta value? Delta value will be 50.85 minus 1.68. So 49.17. So this will be the delta value tomorrow when the stock trades at 306.9 rupees. Okay. So this is what gamma tells us. How much does delta change when 1 rupee of the stock price moves? Okay, I hope it is clear. And as I told you, we do not use the gamma much. Okay, we do not use the value of gamma much. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.